Life begins without name, memory, or story. Before personality, before psyche, before meaning, there is structure. The cell does not wonder what it is. It maintains what it must be. This is the earliest form of selfhood, not identity, but integrity. Here, existence is upheld through boundaries that work. And so, here are 8 scientific ways cells define self without identity. 1. Membrane distinction. The cell membrane creates a physical separation between internal chemistry and the external environment. Self begins as inside versus outside, not as a concept, but as a maintained condition. 2. Selective permeability. Cell membranes allow specific molecules to pass while excluding others based on size, charge, and signaling. Self is preserved by discernment, not by isolation. 3. Ion gradient regulation cells maintain electrical and chemical gradients across membranes to support life processes. Self is sustained through constant energetic difference. 4. Internal homeostasis cells regulate pH, temperature, and molecular balance continuously. Self exists because balance is actively maintained, not assumed. 5. Damage recognition cells detect internal disruption through protein sensors that recognize damage. Self persists by noticing disturbance early. 6. Repair mechanisms. Cells activate repair systems for membranes, proteins, and DNA. Continuity arises from restoration, not flawlessness. 7. Signal discrimination cells respond only to signals that bind to their specific receptors. Self is defined by what is received and what is ignored. 8. Adaptive response cells alter activity based on environmental conditions without intention or choice. Self endures through responsiveness, not decision. And so we realize selfhood predates identity. Integrity comes before meaning. Boundaries are not walls. They are conditions for life. So we ask ourselves, where am I maintaining integrity without a story? What boundaries keep me coherent without explanation? What am I repairing quietly each day? Where am I responding rather than choosing? Life did not begin by knowing itself. It began by holding itself together. Identity came later, integrity came first, and you are the sacred intelligence maintaining coherence before any story ever needed to be told.